Hello friends, myself Dr. Vikram Chauhan. I'm MD in Ayurveda Herbal Pharmacology. I'm from India, www.planetayurveda.com, and I'm here in Slovakia near Poland border, and it's a wonderful nature here around me, and I was seeing some herbs and I was delighted to see them, and I want to share with you that there are so many herbs which are very useful for our health, especially something I came to know across here is growing here. It's good for liver. This is very common plant. This is called dandelion or dandelion. Here you can see beautiful yellow flowers. You see these yellow flowers are there, these yellow flowers, and with this serrated these leaves like chicory leaves. This is dandelion plant. I can take it out just a second, and with the leaf also. So here you see this is dandelion flowers of from the family of sunflower, and this is the leaf of dandelion. It is very useful for it is called Dugdha Feni in Ayurveda. It is very useful for liver problems. Whenever there is fatty liver, whenever there is jaundice, whenever the liver enzymes are high, SGOT, PT and other liver damage is there because of alcohol, because of drugs, because of some chemicals, or because of hepatitis B virus or C virus. So the juice of this herb can be taken. It is full of iron, calcium, magnesium, manganese and many other minerals also, and vitamins. So it is slightly laxative for the gut. It can cleanse the gut, it can cleanse the liver. So many herbal formulations are coming, and you can say it is called Dugdha Feni in Ayurveda, as there if you break the stem, the milk will come out of this. You can see the milk, yeah, little bit milk is there. So it's called Dugdha Feni. Called Achillea millefolium. Achillea millefolium is also called yarrow, and it's very common in Slovakia and European countries. It is called Biranja in Ayurveda. Biranja is very good for the liver also, you see. Yes, so Biranja is also used in many Ayurvedic medicines, and also is cooling. It is also good for the colitis, because whenever there is, it is astringent and cooling whenever there is blood coming out of the gut or there are ulcers. So the juice of this Biranja or this yarrow can be consumed. If it is not readily available, you can get it from some homeopathy medicine shops. It's available, but in Ayurveda also many pharmacies are preparing the products. So other than this, there are many Ayurvedic herbs which are good for colitis, which are good for liver cirrhosis or liver failure. So these are very common plants which are growing here in the nature. It's such a beautiful scenic environment, very peaceful, very calm, very serene. So I would advise you to go out in the nature, do some breathing exercises, pranayam. Anybody suffering from liver disease, liver issues or any health issues must take oxygen in abundant quantity. When you are giving yourself oxygen, then it is going to heal you. So diet, sleep and lifestyle, it plays important role in your life. So it is very important to take care of your diet. So thank you very much, best wishes, and hope you will use this yarrow as well as dandelion for your liver diseases. Thank you very much.
Getting the benefits of natural Ayurvedic treatment is so easy now. No worries about traveling and lodging expenses. No need to delay your traveling plan to India or any other country for doctor's appointment due to other work commitments. No stress of embassy and other legal permissions. Save your time and money. Avail online good, effective Ayurvedic consultation from top Ayurveda experts at www.planetayurveda.com. Your best friend for a healthier, happier and wealthier life. life. Experienced team of Ayurveda doctors with effective skills to help you follow Ayurvedic principles of healthy living. Private, personalized and online mode of consultation in the comfort of your home. Exclusive Ayurvedic clinics, centers, branches and outlets worldwide. Worldwide home delivery of pure natural herbal supplements available. Book video consultation now with MD Ayurveda experts. Call or drop a WhatsApp message on any of the helpline numbers on your screens. Fatty liver, liver cirrhosis, ulcerative colitis, ITP, chronic kidney, skin, lung diseases, neck, back, knee pains, arthritis, psoriasis, migraine, gynae problems, diabetes, belly fat, scleroderma, various types of cancers or any problem. Only one solution: www.planetayurveda.com. Not just this, adopt and follow natural Ayurveda and spread it with people around you for a healthier and disease-free planet. For franchisee, visit now www.planetayurveda.com.